Yeah, hello everyone. Today we are explaining our project. So this is our project. Our project is like opinion mining for social networking platform. So this project was made by me, Aditya, and Preetham. Um, I'm going to introduce this project. I'll continue introducing this project. Later on, my friend Preetham and Aditya are going to take over it. Okay. Aditya, can you go to the next step? Okay, this is outline of our project. Like firstly we introduce our project, and we will set up some goals of our project, and will explain the scope of our project. And we have developed few codes, and some part of like designing and analysis. We'll look into that part as well. And we have some observations to discuss, and we also put our references, and we put one slide for need to improve our project. Next slide. So this is our introduction. Basically, like opinion mining is becoming an increasingly important for the age of social media. It's like we in the day by day life we using our social media apps continuously, and almost we are being in the phone almost half of our day. So it's like the opinion this main motto of this project is to develop an combination of ideas and methods from two different frameworks. It's going to be SDLC and the agile methodology. SDLC, or the software development life cycle, provides a structured approach to a software development, and it goes into under to the several phases and planning and analysis of this project. Basically, it retrieves the opinion of a particular person when we use our social media applications, and it gives some results about the social media's platform, like product reviews or political campaigns. So next slide. So the main goal of this project is like creating an opinion mining system for social media. It can be beneficial for the many businesses, can gain valuable insights into the customer sentiment, and also they can anticipate emerging trends, and they can manage their brand reputation more efficiently by analyzing these opinion mining system for the social media platforms. And we can also give the results for the political campaigns in advance. Next slide. So the main scope of this project is like it can be advantages in various fields, but we pick the top four. Like we pick the top four scope of these projects are like marketing and advertising, politicals, politics, and it has also scope on customer service and also the public opinion. You can see clearly like these four where sectors may affect our project. So next slide. So this is our problem statement of our project. Like in today's era, like there are social media platforms are becoming more integral part of people's life. So this we are taking this advantage and making an opinion from the people, and analyzing their opinion to make the better product, like better product, and give the outcome of those reviews or their interests or their opinions. Okay, next slide. So this is our project plan, and we monitored this project plan from last 4 or 5 weeks. So we are continuously giving updates on in your D2L website. So we also submitted our documents. In the first week we worked on the project, and second week we submitted the use case diagram, and third week we submitted our business benefits of the system, and fourth week like we almost submitted our code, which was we debugged everything and we submitted our code. And we also given the use case diagram to in our project. Okay, next slide. Okay, system analysis, like we developed this project in by using the code we have written, and we undergo some system analysis for undergo, like we take the requirement analysis, and we collect the some data, we gather some data, and we trying to get the opinion mining algorithm. So we also do the data processing, we do a opinion extraction and opinion aggregation and opinion visualization. It is the third stage of the system we undergo. And we analysis each and every data by using chats and graphs, and also the colors to give sense of the thoughts. Okay, next slide. Okay, this is the system design. So this system design includes mainly like sentimental analysis, social media platform, and also we use our post ID and comment users. Like we use many type of data by using to design this system. It mainly depends upon some of the attributes like post ID, post messages, and analysis ID. We and the user ID. We take with these attributes to perform to like to make a key values for it. Next slide. Okay, from here on, like my friend Aitya can take over it.
Hi, good evening. So this was a, code which we have used to implement our project. We written this code by using a Python Jupyter notebook. So these are the some of the um, code lines that we have used, and we use the data set that we got from the Kaggle website. We just written a sentimental analysis by using a Twitter framework. So next slide. So the firstly, we have implemented some header files, and then we read the data from our the data set. And if we see the output tree, this is the data set which we have read from our local, and our data set name is the tweets.csv that's stored in the CSV format. And so here what we have done is, uh, first of all, from whatever the data we have collected from the data set, we initially um, reprocess the data into which was the negative comment and which was the positive comment and which was the neutral comment. And we have divided into three comments. We have given three different values, like 0 is a positive and 4 is an negative value, and 5 is a neutral value. So based upon these values, we have implemented the code. um, so this was the result. Total we trained um, 2 lakh 90,000 records. In that one, 18,000 um, 1 lakh 83,000 records were written as a negative, and for in that one 56,000 were um, become as a uh, these are the wrong, this was not predicted by the system. So if we see 191,000 records as a detected as positive, and 48,000 records was detected as like these are the error which our code was detected. So uh, basically, the if we go to the efficiency of the code, that lies between approximately 70 to 77 in that range. So this was the result. The construction of inaccuracy of the matrix will give us the information about how many data points are correct and how many are incorrect classified using the model. And out of 240,000 negative reviews, 182,000 were correctly classified as a negative, and 57,000 were incorrectly classified as a positive. So as we seen in the heat map which we got in the result. Um, out of 24,000 positive reviews, 191,000 were correctly classified as a positive, and 48,000 were incorrectly classified as negative comments. So these are the some of the observations and discussions. From here on, my mate Sai Pritam will continue.
Yeah, thank you, Aditya. Now I'm discussing about the observations and discussions. The first one is the importance of the sentiment analysis. The sentiment analysis is a crucial component of opinion mining for social network platforms, and it allows us to determine whether a particular opinion is positive or negative or neutral, which is often the first step is understanding people's opinion on a topic. And the second one is the challenges of analyzing informal text, such as social media text, is often informal and ungrammatical, and includes emojis and abbreviations. This can make it difficult to apply natural language processing techniques and can lead to errors in the opinion mining processes. And the target is uh, the polarity of the tweet, where the 0 is the negative and 4 is the positive, and 2 is the neutral. And the IDs are tweet, it has 2087, and we also have a date flag and the user in this. Can you make it the next slide, Alpha? And these are the screenshots of the project. And here, how can we improve? We can, we learn the basic tasks of NLP and created simple ML models for sentimental analysis of movie reviewers. Further improvements can be achieved using word embedding with deep learning models. And the summary is, opinion mining is a technique for extracting and analyzing people's opinions, attitudes, and emotions from text data. It is also known as sentimental analysis. And opinion mining in the context of social networks can assist business organizations and individuals in understanding public opinion about specific topic, brand, or event. In the opinion mining for social networks can be approached in several ways, including rule-based machine learning and deep methods for learning. In rule-based methods, individually developed rules are used to identify sentiment expressions and classify them as positive, negative, or neutral. Machine learning algorithms are used to learn from labeled and predict new data automatically. Deep learning techniques such as neural networks can automatically extract attributes from raw text data and learn complex sentiment representations. And the references are these are the references for our project. Yeah, thank you. That's all from my end.
This was the complete code from our project which we have implemented. So I will try to run these steps by with the. These was the results that we obtained while we running this code. We face some errors while running our code, so we're still working on the code to perform more accurate. Um, and so this was the code which we use for the project set. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to work on a project like this one. So from this we learn many things, how to work on the Python and machine learning things. So the main thing what we learn is about the agile methodology. Where the software software industries were going through these type of agile methodologies. Because of this, we can have some bit of knowledge while we enter into the market. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Uh,
Thank you, Dr. Wang. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Wang, for giving us to build this project. So until now, we don't know how to work on the Python. Because of this project, we learned the Python too, and we worked on various applications like Jupyter, and we also learned fluently the how development life cycle works. It gonna be help us for future engineering companies like corporate companies, top MNCs, so we can know it before, like how agile methodology works. Thanks for your opportunity. Thanks for this opportunity.